All right, I'm back. So I went ahead and got this all mounted now. I didn't want to like let you guys hear me all cussing and going crazy on the internet if I poked a hole in my speaker. So I went ahead and put the speaker in where I had two hands. I didn't want to let you guys miss anything, but that's pretty self-explanatory. Where you just pop the speaker back in. It's red and the black. Red to the positive, black to the negative. There you go. And I wanted to show you a couple other things. So that was pretty easy. It came with enough screws to do. At the beginning, it only had like 4 screws, I guess, holding the subwoofer in. But in the pack, there was enough to put screws in every hole, of course. And then it came with this nice grill here. Yeah, so I like it. It's big. It came with this little rubber gasket. I'm pretty sure that goes right around here. So I'm gonna put that in real quick. Just bear with me for a second. I'll let you look at the speaker maybe if it'll stay for a second. Yeah, there you go. It looks pretty good. I'm just gonna pop this in. I'm thinking this little gasket just keeps it from maybe vibrating over time or something. I don't know. It's a little hard to put in. It's kind of stiff. But I don't really see any other purpose in it because you can't waterproof this. So the only thing I can think is just to keep it from any kind of noise making, rattling or something. But if it rattles, it's coming off mine. So I hate distortion sounds or any kind of rattling inside the vehicle. Outside the vehicle is perfectly okay, but inside sucks. I just don't want to hear it. I want to hear my music crisp, clean, without any kind of sound other than music. I don't mind letting everybody else hear the rattling outside though, not even a little bit. It's not too hard to get in. Once you get it going, you just put your fingernail in it and kind of like work it right around. It was a little too long. And then I'm gonna just like put it on for you guys right quick. And then that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna do the amp install on this video. I might do it, but I'm not gonna do it on this video. I just pretty much wanted to show everybody how to install this speaker box gate, I guess you call it. I don't know what you call it, whatever. It is what it is. It's a speaker in the tailgate. I don't even know if I can get a screw. It does have a screw hole there, but I can't. There it goes. Started. I'm just gonna get one in here and then we'll kind of talk about it right quick, and then I'll get 2 actually, so it'll hold it up so you can actually see the finished product. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks great. I haven't tried to shut my door yet, only because I haven't zip tied up my wires. I want to definitely do that because I don't want to crush that connector. Because everything with MB Quarts is plug and play if you choose it to be. You can cut the ends off, of course, but their amps and their subs are all plug and play. The amp came with a kit. All of the, everything here is plug and play, which I thought was pretty great because I mean, a lot of amp systems now where you got to just plug in the wires and stuff like that. This is like more up to date and modern. I've never dealt with one that's like plug and play like this, but I really like it. That part was a good bonus feature for me because I don't like seeing wires and I don't like connections pretty much. I don't mind doing them, but I don't like them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zip tie this up to run it with my strap here, and then run it inside here, but I'm not gonna do that right now. But I just want to show you guys what this looked like on. And I think we will do a little door shut test kit type deal. I just want to make sure the door does indeed shut. And it did come with another little pack of speakers, but I think this was in the amp box, not the speaker box, because there's really nothing else left to do here. So let's go ahead and shut this thing and make sure the cord is not in there. And it's not. Hopefully, and it shuts. So let me go around and get a little front view. Somewhere here. Oh yeah, that looks great. It doesn't really take away that much trunk space. I'll say maybe we lost 8 inches, something like that, but it's no big deal. We don't really put anything back here. And I really like the fact that we got to leave that back panel on, and I didn't have to use this part. I'm trying to do as least modifications to this Jeep Beach Edition as I can. I know it's kind of like a unicorn, so everybody's been telling me. They only made like 500 of them. So it says on there. We actually got number 422, I think it is. I didn't put the decals on. I was scared they were going to like fall off or something, because they're like these hard plastic ones that only go on with the 3M tape. But anyway, back to the speaker. I do like it. It looks great. I love how this is angled, and it's gonna have like something to even hit off of when that air comes out of that big port right here. It's like a 4-inch port. It looks good. I guess I'll follow up later on with a review on how it actually sounds and what I thought about it, whether I'm gonna keep it or change it to, I don't know, JL probably. I mean, I don't know. I'm so used to JL audio. Probably go with that if I'm not satisfied with this, but let's hope I am. Spent quite a bit of money on this, so should be pretty decent. I think it was like, I want to say it was like 900 for the enclosure, the speaker that's in it, and the amp. So I mean, it's a pretty good deal for an all together system. So yeah, that's my video. Thanks. If you liked the video, just hit that like button, hit the follow button, and share it. Maybe help somebody else. Keep jeeping.